Ever wondered how to maintain the cleanliness and longevity of your property? Well, regular cleaning and maintenance is essential, and no method does it better than power washing. This technique uses high-pressure water jets to effectively remove dirt, grime, mold, and other contaminants from various exterior surfaces, restoring them to their original condition. Among the trusted providers of this service, Jabez Power Washing stands out, offering efficient and effective cleaning solutions for all your needs. Maintaining your property doesn't have to be a chore, not with Jabez Power Washing at your service. Why choose Jabez Power Washing over other companies? This question may cross your mind when you're looking for the best power washing service. The answer is simple. Jabez Power Washing offers unparalleled professional service that sets them apart. They've carved a niche for themselves in the industry, thanks to their commitment to customer satisfaction that is second to none. Let's delve a bit deeper, shall we? Jabez Power Washing is synonymous with efficient cleaning. Their high-pressure water jets work wonders, removing stubborn dirt, grime, mold, and other contaminants. The result? Your exterior surfaces, be it driveways, sidewalks, decks, or siding, are restored to their original condition. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to the chorus of satisfied customers. They speak volumes about Jabez Power Washing's effectiveness. One customer gushes, "My deck hasn't looked this good in years." Another shares, "They made my driveway look brand new again. I couldn't be happier." With Jabez Power Washing, you're not just getting a clean house, you're investing in the longevity of your property. What exactly can Jabez Power Washing do for you? Well, let's delve into the specifics. At Jabez Power Washing, we offer a variety of services tailored to keep your property looking its best. First off, we provide roof cleaning. Our high-pressure water jets eradicate mold, moss, and other unwanted growths that can damage your roof over time. This service not only enhances the appearance of your home but also prolongs the life of your roof. Next up is deck cleaning. Decks can easily accumulate dirt and grime, making them slippery and unsafe. Our deck cleaning service efficiently removes these hazards, restoring your deck's original luster and making it a safe place for your family gatherings once again. House washing is another one of our specialties. We meticulously clean your home's exterior, removing dirt and contaminants that can cause discoloration over time. This service helps maintain your home's curb appeal and ensures it always presents a welcoming facade. Last but not least, we offer driveway cleaning. Over time, driveways can become stained and unsightly due to oil leaks and other substances. Our professional cleaning service restores your driveway's appearance, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your property. So, from your roof to your driveway, Jabez Power Washing has got you covered. Are you ready to experience the Jabez Power Washing difference? Let's not delay any further. You can easily find all the information you need or schedule a service directly on their website. They're known for their efficient high-pressure cleaning methods, transforming your exterior surfaces to their original glory. Imagine your driveway, deck, or house siding looking as good as new. The convenience of their services is unparalleled, and the results? Absolutely stunning. Don't wait. Give your property the care it deserves. Visit the Jabez Power Washing website today.